In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use your Humana spending account card balance. So in order to do this, you will need to go to a participating retailer. One of those participating retailers is going to be Walmart. So here, I'm just going to search for Humana benefits. So Humana benefits eligible products in Walmart. This is going to be our search query. And right here, it's going to look like this. Let's just add a single item to our cart, and then we will go into our cart. Now, in order to use your Humana Healthy Benefits card balance, then you will need to add it as a payment method. So you will click on Continue to Checkout, and you will be prompted to provide your Humana card information. You want to provide your Humana card information, and after you have provided it, it should discount the item which you have chosen. If it hasn't discounted it, then it means that it is not an eligible product. And you will just continue shopping using your card as you would normally with a regular debit card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.